Hi guys, today I am going to be drawing an Among Us character with a witch's hat. So all you will be needing is some paper and a marker. If you don't have a marker, you could use a pencil or a pen if you have those stuff. So let's get started. You're going to be drawing kind of like an upside down U, like that. And then you're going to be drawing an oval, like that. Now you're going to pretend this line is going behind the visor. I think that's what it's called. So we're going to go down like this. Okay, that looks good. And then over here, we're going to go down there. Now we're going to draw a kind of oval foot like that, a line, and then do the same thing there. And now we need the little backpack. There. Okay, now I'm going to be drawing the witch's hat. So we're going to go like this. That. And then that. And then that. And then do like a little square there. And that is how it turned out. It kind of looks like a Christmas hat, but that is okay. Now, if you want to color it, you could color it. And I am going to be coloring it. So I have a red pencil right here. So I'm going to color the Among Us character red. Okay. If yours didn't turn out like this, it's okay. You tried your best. Okay. If you want to know which colors you need, you could make the Among Us character any color you want. So I'm doing it red because I like red a little bit. Okay. Mine got out of the lines a little bit, but it's okay. If you want to know which colors you need, you don't need to use red for the Among Us character color, but you would need this kind of blue. Okay, and then just get a normal blue or a dark blue. And then for the witch's hat, I'm going to use this purple. And you're going to be needing some yellow for that little part. So those are the colors you will be needing. And, oh my gosh, they're rolling away. Okay, so I'm going to color it. Okay. Okay, I'm almost on it. There. Now, I'm going to take this blue. Now you're going to take this light blue. Mine is called sky blue. I'm going to take it and just draw a kind of oval like this. Now you're going to draw the bottom of it blue. Okay. then, okay, we need one more color. It's this gray. Okay. It could be a light gray or a dark gray, but I'm using a light gray. Now you're going to take this kind of bluish purple. I don't know what it is, but okay. Now you're going to just color it in. But before you color it in, you're going to make a little circle. Okay, like that. Now color around it, but don't color it in. Now it's going to look like that. Now you're going to take your light gray. Okay. And now you're going to color that circle in with the light gray. It's not really going to show, but we'll give it a little texture. Looks like that. Okay. Now I'm going to take this purple and color the hat in. Okay. But you do not want to color this part in. And guys, happy Halloween. I'm doing this because it's almost Halloween. So I'm almost done. Okay, there. I'm done with the hat. Now, you're gonna get the yellow and you're gonna color this part in, but you do not want to color that little square in. And this is how it turned out, guys. If yours doesn't look like this, it's okay. Just try your best.